Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Baba Sankara. In this video, we are going to discuss a human rights violation in our neighboring Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh. During the HR classes, I might have told the boys or the students that normally the HR violations are the illegal detentions by the police. They come up only. And I told you that the relief or the redressal is by way of filing a writ of habeas corpus under Article 226 before the Honorable High Court. Of course, there is another procedure, that is where you have to apply to the State Human Rights Commission for getting compensation. According to the Protection of Human Rights Act 1993, Section 18 gives the power to the Human Rights Commission to order for certain compensation, to recommend for certain compensation, because it's the only commission they can recommend. Oh, these are the options available. Very recently, it happened in Nellore district that a person by name Vadlapalli Vijaya was brought to Vedayapalem police station. No doubt, he is accused in a case of cheating, 420. In this regard, the police had got away power to summon him. Likewise, they called him to the police station on October 25th. Please remember the dates. On October 25th, he was called to the police station. His wife Vijaya and children, they moved around the police station on a number of occasions, but they neither released him nor showed his arrest. So she was looming large in between the police station and her house. She doesn't know. And she has no political influence. So ultimately, she is wise enough to take a photograph of the husband. She approached some legal person, lawyer, who filed a writ of habeas corpus. Ultimately, after receiving the notice from the Honorable High Court of Andhra Pradesh at Amaravati on November 8th, they have shown his arrest. So normally, since I also worked as a police officer, the way out is to show the arrest, maybe under some sections. Of course, they have registered a case of cheating against him. They showed his arrest on November 8th. Please remember, she has produced the so-called photograph on the earlier, a day before earlier to the date of arrest. That shows he was in police custody. This irked the Honorable High Court of AP, and they asked clearly. See, wife Vijaya, she produced submitted, she filed a habeas corpus petition and produced a photograph of her husband in the detention of the police. She alleged that, or she stated that, even she and her children were visiting the police station regularly with a request to give details about her husband, but there was no response from the police. So, then the court asked why he was detained for so much time. So it's not correct. It is a violation of right to life and liberty of an individual, which is guaranteed fundamental right under Article 21 of the Constitution of India. Therefore, since he was already shown arrest and given bail, they have given the preference to Vijay Kumar to approach the concerned forum for getting compensation. Since the writ of habeas corpus is completed by producing before the court, so they directed the victim, that is Vijaya or her husband Vijay Kumar, to go to the concerned forum. What is the forum? This is what you have to know. The forum is State Human Rights Commission, definitely. And they can file a case under Section 341, that is wrongful confinement or illegal detention of a person. Now it is said, so that's why In the law of torts, I told you the photograph is equal to res ipsa loquitur. What is res ipsa loquitur? A thing speaks for itself. The photo itself is sufficient. Nowadays, the videos have also come. They can be taken as evidence under section 65B of the Indian Evidence Act also. Right. So please remember, it is very, very dangerous human rights issue. Definitely, the police will be ordered to pay compensation to the victim. Or compensation is one part, but whatever the mental agony, the trauma he suffered, no doubt, I do not support that he is a gentleman or something. He may be involved in the case of cheating, but there is a proper way as per law. He can be called to the police station 41A, 420, or he can be he can be taken to police custody without doing all these things. If the police resorts to such things, definitely they are liable for illegal detention. So this is a clear indication or case. So the writ petition is filed by Srimati Vadlapalli Vijaya. So Vadlapalli Vijaya versus State of AP. You may be noting the case, and case law will come in a couple of days. Right? You can see the case law, and definitely you will be having good knowledge over the human rights. Thank you.